हार्टबीट को पहचानते
वो सरदार बना मिलेगा और चौथा आपको शाम की चाय मिलेगी
फिर तो भूखी रह जाएगी
ये Natulu juice, ठीक है?
Yeah.
Okay. So you travel from there?
No, I've shifted in to Pune in the month of November.
Okay.
Recognize our
लड़कियों के पास वैसे नहीं देखता था हाँ तो कैसे आ जाता
Okay, पूरा सूट बूट करके शादी की
नहीं था फेस का चाहिए
ऋषि
You know?
नाम नहीं याद समीर इनको भी शक्ति उली बहुत सेंचुरी का और कोई
Thank you.
Hello everyone. Now let's take the attendance. Ajay Shelke. Ketan Avele. Manish Javade. Nilesh Pimpre. Shaju. Umesh Mirze. रोल नंबर गायत्री हरप्रीत सिंह मान समीर मने अजित चारके अनिल पिल्ले अंजलि लाल अभी बोरा दामोदर प्रेजेंट म्हणा दिनेश काजी मांजरेकर संजय धवन संतोष भोर सतीश अग्रवाल मुक्ती मेनन प्रणीता बांगडा सरस्वती वाटी जोशी धनंजय पवार जीजा कल्पलता कांचन किशोर
Once she comes, we start the event. Till then, I just used to behave, or she used to उनकी action कोई या उनका I mean या mimicry जो कर सकता है कोई भी एक teacher.
Don't worry, please be free.
You have okay, Mr. Sanjay.
Raju. Hello everybody. I remember Mr. Rodriguez used to take history and English lectures, but I was very bad at grammar at that time. The day grammar concept started, I used to sleep in the class, with my hands under the chin, and I had a specs, so she could not recognize me. I tried to make up so many times, but after some time, I think she got to know that I sleep, so she can tell me to come and sit in front. Sitting in the front bench, I used to still sleep. Thank you all.
Very bad teacher. Take photo back.
Yeah, I think you know me, the naughtiest guy in the B division, Ajay Shelke.
And the shortest.
And the shortest, you can't say that now. I remember this with Miss Usha actually, and as usual, I mean, we were the naughtiest kids, bunking me, so we were the backbenchers. And Miss Usha just walks in the room, and it's I guess maths, I guess, the subject that she taught. I was busy with bunking, doing some of the other mischief as usual. So we invented something called as launching a rocket with the help of a steel ruler. So I used to show him, and I was about to give him a demo. This guy takes his scale, puts a chalk on it, and it goes and hits Miss Usha's back. So here it is. It's only 5 minutes that she's walked in the classroom, but she's totally, frustrated, and she's angry, and she, in a typical style. I remember a word, Bundly. She comes up saying in that accent, I'm not going to take this lecture unless I know who is hitting me this stuff. So what happens is, she walks out of the room, she goes to the staff room, guys here are busy, everybody is having their chat. It's after 40 minutes, we know that it is a 45-minute session. After 35-40 minutes, Bankim gets up, admits that he's done this mistake. She walks in, the bell rings, and we are all happy.
And that time you all the class to go and say sorry. Okay, now this clearly suits the theme today. बजाते रहो अपने टीचर कभी कभी मस्ती की है सबने. Okay, now the next question is how are you feeling? I mean, कैसा लग रहा है इतने सालों बाद मिलना? Great. How was the feeling before you came in? What was the, I mean, कैसी excitement थी? What was the questions coming up in the mind?
I think we've come here as individuals after 23 years, but I'm so sure we're going to go as one big family when we go back.
ठीक है, अभी मुझे थोड़े nails चेक करने पड़ेंगे, haircut. आप nails fight कर रहे हो? That is not allowed. You're supposed to cut your nails. Yes, sir. Sabhi should be your nails. Wow, this is neat. Haircut. Girls, I want the girls to speak now. Anything naughty you have done? Something naughty or maybe something out of the box, ऐसा कुछ एकदम अलग कुछ किया है? टीचर के लिए किया हो या अपने फ्रेंड्स के लिए किया हो?
I know.
What was that? We bunked up, we didn't go and get into the bus and we thought of walking back home from school.
Yeah, we missed the bus
The
and
sister's house.
yeah, both of us had this idea that we'll go to school walking.
Come from school.
Yeah, sorry, return from we actually missed this bus after school. And we had Meghna started walking till the colony. I think we reached somewhere.
Halfway, Lalita.
Yeah, till KSB pump cutting, right?
Yeah.
And then we were like exhausted.
That's a long walk.
That was a long walk. We never walked so much.
No, we missed it.
On purpose,
On purpose,
yeah.
We were supposed to walk.
Okay, that is nice. अच्छा, हम अलग-अलग लोगों से सुनना चाहेंगे तो even we get to know different things. Yes.
Actually, Mahesh had called her and she told we just told her that we'll send a car and all to pick her.
Yes.
So she said, "Don't worry, my son will drop me." I just wanted to share a small thing. I think probably that was being put on WhatsApp. This was an incident which happened during our camp. And probably we were, I don't know who was there with me, we were 5 of them with them. And we have had a great, Gayatri was there with us that time. And sorry, if you, this is nothing personal. Otherwise you might get annoyed. We had this, in early morning we had to prepare our breakfast and all. So, as usual, we didn't know anything about it. So that the responsibility was there on the girls, and Gayatri took up the responsibility.
I think they made drumstick. Why not leave parakas?
I don't know what did she make, but we were forced to make. Hi, Anjali. Just to continue actually, so this camp thing, and we actually breakfast we had a pretty, I think the night before that everyone knows what had happened. Ramawali sir and all, Mahesh Bora as well as even Sunny and all this Ketan, Sunny, Bumpkin and all. So no one, there was a lot of drama which happened. Next day morning. Next day morning, it was actually, we were seriously hungry. So Gayatri said, I'll prepare parathas. And she started preparing parathas. Me, Mahesh and all were sitting. And she prepared parathas and gave it to us. So, she prepared, and the parathas which were there, once I started eating, there was no salt in it. So I asked Gayatri, there's no salt in this parathas. She said, hey, this is the way we prepare it at home. So if you want to have it, we were actually forced to eat it.
I think now I'm managing the entire kitchen.
I know.
So this much credit you give me, now I know how to make it. Anytime to give a good practice. We clap for them. One minute. Badge, yes, the naughtiest badge. What is this, the naughtiest badge?
You are now able to recollect and see those faces slowly and gradually. But you know, teaching Kamalan Bajaj students is so, I don't know what to say. For us, teaching was really wonderful because our students were really, yes, you may have been naughty, but I think, you know, we just looked at each one of you as beautiful students and who are still growing, and like we felt it was our responsibility that we must be ideal, we must be able to give you good values, we must be able to you know, tell you to do the right thing. So it was like for us a responsibility, no, you have to be perfect, you have to be good, you have to study well, you have to behave well. So maybe in the course of that, in that course, perhaps we have been, you know, maybe rude, maybe getting annoyed with you, but we had nothing, no malice, because we were not going to grade anything. It was just we wanted you to be perfect and to be good. And you know, from what I've been able to see and what I've been able to hear a little, all of you are doing so well. And I think that's the biggest gift you are giving us in you doing so well. Money-wise that you are doing is just that you are good human beings, and the very fact you have all come here gives me 100% assurance that you are wonderful. Thank you.
She comes, then we'll have the assembly, the national anthem and the prayer. I hope you all remember the school prayer. When I remember what we used to say. Yeah, where are your calendars? I remember what we used to say after the break. Okay. So in case you remember, you can just come up with the podium and just school prayer. But what we used to say before and after the meeting, I
remember it. I have to read it.
सबसे नॉटी कौन सा था? येलो। Okay. Demerit for the yellow. They agree that they're naughty. So let's just give one demerit to them. No. Let's decide it today. आज देख के performance हम decide करेंगे who's going to get a merit and a demerit. Okay. Anybody else who wants to?
What I remember is when you were going, you have to sign something. It should be handled with care. For words once spoken.